if you're running Pinterest ads to an untested funnel or untested product, a new funnel, here's what you need to understand. Alright, before we get into it, I'm Presh Rogers. I am the Pinterest badass. So let's hop into it. What you need to know is that you are testing. If you start running ads to these new funnels, new products, untested funnels, whatever you want to call them, you are testing. You are collecting data with the money that you are putting behind these ads to see if your funnel is working, to see if your products are something that people want. You're testing things out. So please understand that you can't expect your ads to maybe work the same way someone who is running Pinterest ads to a tested funnel. They know what results they usually get. They know how many people usually convert. They know they have, a live training that works, or they know they have a product that sells organically on its own or through other ad media or advertising platforms. They already know that. But if you are not sure, if it's new and you just think it's going to be amazing, understand that it might not be. So now, by running your Pinterest ads, the good thing is that you're going to be able to test things out. You're going to be able to see if this product is something that people want. Are people putting it in their cart? Are people, if people are putting in their cart but not checking out, now okay, maybe I need to make sure I have an add to cart or abandoned cart sequence going out. Or maybe there's a disconnect, or maybe it's the price, or maybe it's the shipping. Like you're getting data on like what could be the disconnect. And then if you are like a coach or something that's like trying to get people to sign up for something, like maybe like your email list or a lead magnet, maybe they're signing up, but then you're taking them through a funnel that's not converting them into your membership. You're trying to figure out, okay, maybe it's the emails that I'm sending out. Maybe it's the cost. Maybe it's something is a disconnect. I'm getting email signups, but this is not happening. Or you're sending them, like we're getting traffic to the landing page, but no one's signing up for your free offer. So now it's like, okay, we're getting traffic, and now that but is the issue. The but is the problem that we're going to figure out now that we've collected data based on these ads. And now we're able to improve our funnel or improve our products even more in our systems so that now, as time goes on, we can actually start getting conversions. But in the very beginning, you might not get no conversions because you are testing an untested or a new funnel or untested or a new product. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.